Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. I've been craving tacos lately, and y'all know I love pizza. So I decided to go ahead and make taco pizza. It's one of my favorites. Hope it will be yours too. So let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, I'm going to start out here with the pre-made pizza crusts here. I like the thin variety myself, and this is some taco meat that I made up previously because I had nachos. So I just made up a big old batch of that, and I'm going to spread that out on here. You can use as much or as little as you want. And this is just a taco seasoning mix with the hamburger, and I put onions in mine when I'm cooking it because I like the way it tastes with onions in it. So a little bit more right there in the middle. Alright, kind of smooth that out some, get it out there to the edges. Like plenty of meat on mine. So, and then I'm going to top mine with a little bit of cheese. It's kind of a binding agent. Not a whole lot, you know, just enough to keep the meat in place and, you know, taste yumminess. We'll add more cheese later, trust me. Alright, looks good to me. So, alright, I'm going to pop this in the oven. That takes about, I think 12 minutes. Bake this. I'll get it baked, and we'll bring you back to finish it off. Alright, y'all, timer just went off. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. That looks delicious. Oh yeah. Alright, let me grab some toppings and we'll finish this off. Alright y'all, we're going to start out here. My famous homemade guacamole. Oh yeah. Put just a nice thin coating on there. Now, normally I would put a ton of this on there, but I don't want to overwhelm the taste of everything else, so. And for all y'all that don't like guacamole, you never have mine. Mine is the bomb. Homemade, 100% deliciousness. Alright. Got that. Got some diced up tomatoes here. Now these are canned diced tomatoes. I'm not real happy with them, but it is what it is. Alright. Got my tomatoes on there. Gonna do some sour of the cream. Gotta stir that up and get a little softer there. Alright. That looks good. Just a dollop will do ya. Kind of pushing my tomatoes around, but it'll be alright. Alright. Good enough. Good enough. Alright. Now, a little taco sauce. Just kind of sprinkle that around. A little bit out there on that edge. A little bit over here. Oh yeah. Now, we're going to top it off with some more cheese. Just because I want to, and it's good stuff. So, just a little bit, not a whole lot. Alright, now that looks awesome. Cut it up, and we'll do a taste test. Alright, y'all, I figured I'd bring you along for the cutting. Ooh, nice and crunchy. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. And I hope that crunch is coming through the camera. Oh yeah. Awesome. Man, look at that. That is a thing of beauty. Woo! Alright, let's do the taste test. Alright, y'all. We got the taco pizza here. And no, I don't put lettuce on mine. I don't like iceberg lettuce. It's just a filler. There's no sense in having it on there. That's why we got the guacamole for the greens. Right, my chin. That's better than any pizzeria you'll ever have. Of course, wash it down, drink of the day. It's better than pizza and beer. Root beer. Man, I hit the spot. Need a napkin. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Go out there and try it yourself. You can put any kind of toppings on there you want. You can put black olives on there if you want. You can put rice, refried beans. I'm just not a real big refried bean fan, and I didn't have any Spanish rice to put on it, so maybe next time. So that's the nice thing about cooking like this. You just put on there what you like and what you have. It's awesome. So appreciate you all watching. If you would, please hit that thumbs up button. Show me the appreciation. Down there and leave me a comment if you like this, or for something else, how you do it. Appreciate you all watching again, and remember the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Come on in. We'll talk about everything. And as always, bon appetit.